So here's the factory store. This is where you can get your pick-a-brick. There's a pretty big pick-a-brick wall in there. You can kind of zoom in and see it from a distance. You pay basically by the quarter pound. And for me, it got expensive. I think I spent over $200 just in parts and pieces. So now we're at Legoland in the big store. It's a pretty big store. It's bigger than any Lego store I've been in. They've got their sections. And they've got some of the models on display. Sonic set. A lot of shirts. Some little models. A lot of mugs. Harry Potter brick built. Birthday stuff. There's the Legoland exclusive stuff. I think some of these sets you could buy at Target, most of them. Maybe not that one. And I know you couldn't buy that one. Here's some of the Legoland sets. I have the NASA collection. And Disney, of course. That's my son yelling "Dada" in the background. Interesting shirt. And there's no pick-a-brick wall in here. It was over at the factory store. Curious if there was anything new or really old in here that's retired. I don't see anything. The newest thing I could find was the globe that I think released just 4 days ago when making of this video. I don't see any of the new brick heads. And there's still, after Christmas, the shortage. There's still a lot of stuff. Like, this is all the Technic they have is this one little section. There's not a lot to choose from. You got the Marvel section. And Ninjago's back over there in the corner.